पेडागोजी के सिलसिले में ये 5वां पार्ट है। पिछले 4 पार्ट्स देखने के लिए आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाके देख सकते हैं पेडागोजी के नेम से। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इस वीडियो का, टू स्टडी द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द अनकॉन्शियस माइंड विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टेक्निक्स कैन बी मोस्ट profitably used. Its answer is option B, projective techniques. Next question, what should teacher do after teaching the lesson? Its answer is option C, he should test the understanding of the students. Next question, the information about internet and computer makes children, and its answer is option B, increase the knowledge of the information. Next question, one of the students of a class hardly talks in the class. How would you encourage him to express himself? Its answer is option C, by organizing educational games programmers in which children feel like speaking. Its answer is option C here. Next question, primary teacher should give top priority to. Its answer is option C, interaction with the parents. Next question, the best technique of teaching at primary stage is. Correct option is option C, game technique. Next question, a student having scientific attitude. Its answer is option D, think rationally. Next question, when a teacher enters his class on the first day, the theme of discussion should be. Its answer is option D, introduction. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।